Recently, addiction has become a more prevalent and widely discussed issue in the United States in the wake of the opioid epidemic. Addiction, as defined by the National Institute on Drug Abuse, is a chronic, relapsing brain disease that is characterized by compulsive drug seeking and use despite harmful consequences. Researchers continue their attempts to discover more productive solutions as the CDC reports that over 44,000 people died due to drug overdoses. In addition, it was found that roughly 90% of people who suffer from drug addictions do not receive the help they need. It is a heavy burden on many people, while others hope that the struggle ends for their friends and family.
Well, fortunately, I don't know anybody in my own circle that struggles with addiction. But I know some of my friends, when the subject comes up, they've said their family members have had issues, and it really just takes a toll, the whole family.
And it just so happens that another treatment method for addiction is on the way. It's coming from right here on Penn State's campus, as 3 researchers have teamed up to develop another solution for those who suffer from the condition. Inside the Human Health and Development Building is where a project is on a mission to lessen the impact of addiction. Meet Jamie Mundy. Along with his associates Tim Brick and Zita Oravich, they are developing what is known as Wear It.
It's a wearable device that works with a smartphone, and it detects biometric signals.
Currently, the program and business are in the early parts of development.
We are in the early prototype stage, and we're also building the business. So we are working with a couple rehab centers to develop a pilot study to prove the efficacy of the device.
The purpose of Wear It is so that patients can do well during the recovery process and give them an extra resource to help them overcome their addiction.
The bigger goal of the project is to help people learn more about their addiction so that they can stay focused on sobriety and avoid relapse. If the device is constantly monitoring, it will detect the cravings, and when it does, it can alert them and try to get an idea of what their internal psychological state is.
It is a feel-good cause that businesses have donated money to help drive the Wear It project forward. The work and research have potential to do a lot of good.
We're hoping to make people's lives easier. We always say that we want people to thrive in recovery rather than just merely survive.
Reporting in Center County, I'm Zach Seyko.